Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. So today's guide video is based on how to make public profile on Snapchat application. Now make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Now without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, tap on the Snapchat application. So here the interface looks something like this. Now on this particular page, what you have to do is right on top on the upper left corner, there you can see a bit emoji. Just tap on it. So next you will land inside the info page. Now on this particular page, right on top on the upper right corner, there you can see a gear icon. Just tap on it. So next you will land inside the settings page. Now on this particular page, what you have to do is scroll down, and down there you have privacy control. So under privacy control, there you can see contact me. Just tap on it. So right now, as you can see that my current profile is private account. Now in order to make it public profile, all I have to do is just simply one tap, that is tap on everyone, which is right on top. So here, as you can see that earlier it was my friends. So now that you can see, I've changed it into everyone. And this is how you can make public profile on Snapchat application. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.